Hi, it's Tiger, and we're going to be opening this glow bin, and I already opened it. This is gorgeous. It's blue. I keep all of them. I have a green one, right? Yeah, a green one and a purple one. So this is coconut cooking oil or oil to put on your skin. 3 batches. This is sugar, not cut with crushed bones. I like this. Brownie mix and all natural candles. It won't stay up. Get it. Alright, I'll hold it. And my favorite part. And there's also this scrubbing thing. That's really, oh wow, it's stretchy. And on this, the 25 cents goes to all these children so they can have a better life. Brush. Subscribe down below and bye. I love Elf. Elf is my favorite. I love all makeup companies. Bye. Bye.